No more Crocs?
Actually, this looks okay with this jacket.
Yeah, sure. 오늘 되게 꾸미시네.
What'd you say?
바니?
Every day is a new beginning, filled with tales untold. Looking out through a tainted window.
여기서 굽는데 냄새가 안 먹고는 못 갈 그런 냄새인 거 있어. 여기.
Did you tell your price, buddy, or not?
That's a double burger with cheese and onion. Trade me.
What is this cheese?
Swiss? I think Swiss. Yeah, a little messy, but worth it.
It's gotten you way off track. All of this crash and burning, got you wondering where you're at. I know what you're
Is that okay over here?
Yeah, sure.
feels like you ain't got nothing left. Running out of hallelujahs. Gotten all the help that you can get.
They have Yala coffee. It's a Cornwall-based specialty coffee.
Still can't get away from the Cornwall coffee.
커피가 엄청 예쁜 잔에다가 나왔네. 짠. 아니 이렇게 추운데 왜 아이스 커피가 땡기는 거지? 그러니까 코너에서 먹은 커피들은 다 뭔가 진한 느낌보다 그냥 약간 이렇게 milk and coffee something like that. But here is coffee. 어디가?
I don't know.
Whoa.
Where are we going, or where?
Yeah.
I guess it's like outdoor market.
Gone getting busy, out for the win, and it's making us dizzy.
I don't have coin. I only have £2. Sorry. It's a £3. Oh, whoa. You want to do it?
Sure. I guess so.
Wild with the magic touch.
I can hear.
Whoa, it's big.
You like it?
Yeah, sure, it's cool. I thought it was gonna be like one of the skinny ones.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so cool.
To the story, it's loud and
Look at that. How many buses? 시티는 시티구만. Whoa. Whoa. Can you speak Korean? I think it's Old Town.
in the wild with the magic touch. Set it on fire. We run so high. Come along for the ride.
This one's my favorite. Up here. Whoa. Beautiful. Hiya. You guys okay? Yeah. It's so dark.
Yeah.
Just out of
curiosity, if I just buy cold brew takeaway, do I get to keep that?
If you want to take it, absolutely. Please. If you're gonna love
No,
it, if you're
no,
gonna
I will keep it. Thank you so much.
Oh, and it would like sit.
빈센트. 우린 살 수 없으므로 아이 쇼핑만 하고 있습니다. 아이 쇼핑은 broken English더라고요. Window shopping, I guess. But anyway, this shop is so cool. 왜요?
Whatever, right?
It's UGG?
Inside.
Oh yeah.
Imagine putting your foot in there.
Looks like a giant foot.
Oh god.
But we can wear that in the mud or somewhere.
It's not good for our life.
여기서 쇼핑을 좀 하고 입어봤는데 왜 내가 입은 빈티지는 다 넝마 같은 느낌일까요? How's it?
The store has incredible jackets. Like, I didn't even look at the corduroy pants. I forgot.
Go back.
Hey, you over there? I like when you were close to me. I'm doing better, I swear. I'm over being easy. I'm over being mad. You're nothing more to please me.
머리 안 감았어.
The orange one.
No, I didn't wash my hair, so I can't. Not today. 진짜 싫어. We walk so much. Oh yeah. Is that? Yeah, Bokman. Yeah, here.
Is there table for two people?
I think we're fully booked. Let me have a look.
Oh really? It's like chincha towo in here.
안에 찜통이구만.
You have less than an hour.
That's fine.
Yeah, they don't have any tickets out of the kitchen right now, so if you order food, I think it should be
we
fine.
just came to the tonggak and some other stuff.
Yeah, if you guys want to see
Cool.
it.
It's
Yeah, sure.
Fast. I love Jeju. 송상 1주먹. That's not good. Yeah.
Yeah. 뭐야 반응이 그냥 그런데?
It's good. You know, a little hoppy, but good. We've been walking around all day, so we're like 힘들어 and 배고파. So any beer tastes good right now. Thank you. 콩닭 치킨.
레디시도 있다. 통닭. I love 통닭. We don't have oven in our venue, 와, 이 고추장 소스 진짜 맛있어요. 우리는 통닭이랑 갈비를 시켰어요. 와, 뷰 갈비. 와, 이거 뭐예요? 이거 보여요? 이렇게 실한 갈비 보셨습니까? 너무 맛있어요. 이게 내가 한국에 안 가서 그런 걸 수도 있지만 너무 맛있어요.
That's why.
복만 식당.
진짜 amazing. That's so good. I haven't been to like any other Korean restaurants in Europe, but that was insane. and we only had 2 things. Now I kind of wish we had like 5 other people with us, and we could
Try everything?
try a bunch of stuff. Mushroom bibimbap, chado bibimbap.
만두.
Oh, oysters with kimchi rice? I didn't see that.
Oh really?
I don't think that was on the menu downstairs.
There is.
Oh. Wow. How do you say incredible?
Everybody waiting.